Welcome, beautiful people. Hope you are doing great. Today we will learn two things in Excel. First, how many rows and how many columns are available in the Excel. So, don't turn your pages. Just stay with me and see my screen. You can click on corner of your Excel as you can see my cursor, and you have name box here which will display number of rows and column which is available in your Excel. Click there. See, you have 10 lakhs plus rows in your Excel and 16,000 plus column in the Excel. Now, second, what we want to learn today is we have checklist and we want to apply right symbol in green color if task has been completed, and we would like to apply cross symbol in red color if task is pending. So how we will do? Just follow the few steps. I am going to copy same checklist here. We'll write status here, and we will select the range. You can select entire column also. So we have selected this range. Here we will apply right symbol in green color if assignment has completed, cross in red color if assignment is pending and yet to complete. After selecting the range, go to font option, scroll down. In the bottom you will have option this font. What is the name? Wingding 2. Select that. Then click on bold. Click on red font. Means choose from here red font. Then go to conditional formatting. Choose the option highlight cell rules. Then go to equal to. Then press Shift plus P from your keyboard. Again click here. Go to custom format. This color. Click here. Choose green, make it bold, press OK. Again OK. Now, to mark with right symbol, you have to press Shift plus P from your keyboard, and for cross symbol, you will have to press Shift plus O from your keyboard. Let's try. House rent paid, completed. Shift plus P for right symbol. Electricity bill paid, not paid. Cross for cross symbol, press Shift plus O. Car EMI paid, Shift plus P for right symbol. School fee not paid. What we are going to press? Shift plus O for cross symbol. Maintenance bill paid? No, 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 no. What we are going to press? Shift plus O. Then club fee paid. Yes, for that, what you are going to press? Shift plus P. Next, completed. Shift plus P. Next, completed. Shift plus P. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye, beautiful people. We'll meet again.